G'day, welcome back. We're going on to Turn 6, Fields of Fire, Volume 1, World War II, Normandy, Mission 2, the Cerisy Offensive. And just to give you an idea of what's happening at the moment is, starting from the top of the board here, we have to clear row 1, row 2, row 3, which we have done, row 4, which we have not done, and the primary and secondary objectives. We have a paralysed team down here under fire by a sniper. We've got the CO with the artillery forward observer along with 2 platoon and its people sitting up here on this hill. We have 3 platoon over here with a split off of 3-3 there. 1 of 3 was here but has been blown to poo by a mortar team from here. We have a light machine gun team of theirs under fire here, and it's broken down into just a fire team at the moment. We've got their sniper under fire pinned here. We have 1 of 1 up here, and we have an assault team up on that hill, and we are ready to go. So we are at heavily engaged, and we've had 5 turns, and we have 5 turns remaining. Right, higher headquarters event is not happening. The CO will get 4 commands. Now let's see who we can talk to first. So he's still up here, so he does not have line of sight to 1 platoon, so he cannot give him commands. He can give commands to 2 platoon and 3 platoon and the XO. Righto. So he's going, 2 platoon already has 6 commands. 3 platoon only has 2, so he's going to activate 2 platoon. That's 1 command. He is going to activate the XO. That's 2 commands. The first sergeant is horribly burnt in trouble and can't do anything. So he's not going to get any. Can I replace the sergeant with anybody? I think I'd have to use a... well, it doesn't really matter. Replacing him is not going to matter because his primary role at for this game was really to drive the Jeep around, and the Jeep's destroyed, so sorry Sarge, we'll come and pick you up when we can. So that's it. So the CO has 2 commands left and he is going to bank them. Okay, so 3 platoon will get 2 commands, taking them up to 4, and the XO will get 2 commands, taking him up to a whole 2. Right, 3 platoon has 4 commands now, so they're going to do a platoon move forward for 2, like that, and then they're going to order 3-3 forward into the village, and they are exposed, and they are exposed. Okay, and that is 3 commands. They have 1 left that they will bank. The XO is going to move himself and the mortar up onto the hill undercover with the assault team, and he has no commands left. Okay, 1 platoon will pick up 1, which gives him 5, and 2 platoon will shuffle the deck. So 2 platoon will get 1 command. It takes them to 7. Okay. Okay, 2 platoon is going to do a platoon move forward. So they're all going to go up here to the woods. And there they are. And that's all they're doing. So they are banking 5. 1 platoon. Is going to do a platoon move forward to the hedgerow, which is dangerous, I know, for 2 commands. But then they're going to order 1-1 forward into the attack position. And now they are exposed. So we have a potential contact there. This one goes away. Okay, so that was 2, 3 for 1 platoon, which leaves them with 2 that they will bank. And the general initiative is for 1. And what we're going to do is we are going to try and spot the mortar FO up here in the village. It is a village, isn't it? Yeah. With 3 of 3. So he is none of the above. The other bloke is undercover and is a Fort Observer, is -2 on the same card. Takes it down to -1. And he has a VOF of... well, it's an incoming, so he doesn't have any of those, A, H or G, so no. Rightio. So it's a draw of 1 as per usual, and we get nothing. Okie dokie. Okay. Enemy. High headquarters, nothing. Enemy activity checks. Okay. So we have enemy there, we have enemy there, we have enemy there. Righto. So, this guy first is a lat, and he has no leader. So he is not pinned. He is a fire team. Okay, let's get this right. He is not pinned, but he is a fire team. Pinned, 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 pinned. No. 2 or 3 assault or fire teams? No. Assault team? No. No. Fire team not undercover? No. Fire team undercover on a US card? No. Leader on fire team side? No. Spotter, sniper, or weapons team on a fire team side? Yeah, it was an LMG. Okay. So, well, 1 is no action, a 2 is a rally. And he gets a 1, no action. Righto. The mortar, does it do anything strange when people turn up to play? So 53 again. Indirect fire spotters. Okay. Provided the spotter remains in good order and has fire missions remaining, it continues to call fire for the following priority. Units in the same card as its incoming. Yep, that's what it's doing. The card within its line of sight, the card within its line of sight that has the most steps, blah, blah, blah. Any spotters are not governed by the enemy activity. However, if pinned or reduced to a lat, they will then follow the lat table. So no, he's just going to keep firing. And the sniper is pinned. So he is simply going to do what if he's pinned? Back to page 53. Sniper remains in play and continues to attack the card that brought the sniper on the map until spotted. Once it's spotted, blah, 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 blah. When a good order sniper is spotted, blah, 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 blah. If no target exists, no. However, if pinned or reduced to a lat, snipers will then follow the lat table. Good, okay. So again, he is a pinned. He is a spotter, sniper, or weapon team on fire team side. No. So he is pinned undercover on a US card. So a 1 or 2, he'll do nothing. A 3, he will rally. A 4, 5, fall back. And he gets a 4, which is fall back. Okay. So the pinned marker will go away and he'll pick up an exposed marker. And it's a fall back. Right. Now, he can't fall back because we have us all there. So what happens if he can't fall back? Ba 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 da da bum 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 bum. So the question being, what do we do if we can't fall back when we're supposed to fall back? Give me one, I'm going to have a look. Okay, well, look, I've had a look. I can't find anything anywhere. So what I'm taking it is he's tried to fall back. He can't fall back. So therefore, he remains pinned where he is. If I was feeling a little bit more put upon, I would simply go, oh, he's jumped up and run away into one of these 3 and he's been captured, sort of thing. But yeah, we'll just leave him as he is. Righto, so that was their activity check. So next thing, of course, is the capture and retreat phase. Capture any paralysed or littered teams alone on a card? No. Retreat any non-pinned, non-captured, paralysed team under a VOF, marker 1 card to better cover and mark exposed. Okay. So he can go if I want him to. Do I want him to? No, I don't want to still. So no, he's going to stay there. Oh, that's okay. This is all pinned, isn't it? This is all pin fire. Sniper fire is not at work at the moment. Okay. Mutual vehicle aircraft. Well, we don't have anything. Update fire missions. Okay. So let's have a look if we're firing again into here. It's a draw of a 3. And we get a nothing. And we get lots again. Okay. So we have incoming to here. And we'll see if we have incoming to here. It's a mortar, which has a draw of 3. So it goes 1 for a none, 2 for a none, and shuffle. And we'll see if we've ended up with a full convent or not. And 3 for a none, 3 nuns. that's a convent. So this is a pending fire mission. So that goes away, and now we have line of sight again. I'm just going to remove that and the Jeep. In gone. In gone, boom, boom. Okay. Evaluate potential contacts. We have one there. And that's it. So we're still heavily engaged. And we are on a B, so it's again a draw of 2. And we get a rally for 1 and a rally for 2. So that one is cleared. And we have now cleared the attack position. And we rejoiced. Yay! Right. Combat effects segment. Righto. So we have this guy under fire. We have these under fire. We have him under fire. And we have him under fire. So 1, they attack. 2, we attack. So they're going to attack. We'll just move from the top to the bottom. So the first thing they're going to attack is here. And nothing happens because there's no fire mission. So in fact, there's no volume of fire there, so that pin comes off, doesn't it? Yeah. Okay. So he's not under fire, which only leaves this guy, who is at a +2 for all pinned, and a +2 for the woods is a +4. And a +4 is a miss, so he is still not hit. Wonderful. So then we go for them. We start up here, and what we have is a -5 again, with a +1 and a +3, so he's still at -1. -1 is a hit, and we are hitting a lat, so it is a green unit, which is a casualty. So foxholes are there. That goes away. He has been destroyed. And if we put a casualty up there, like that. Okay. And then we've got this guy here, who is pinned in foxholes, so that's +2, +5, -1, so he's at +4, and a +4 for him is pinned, so he remains pinned. Right there. Okay. And it's just the tidy up. Remove the exposed markers. So there's that one, and that one, and that one, and that one, and that one. He's still pinned. And that's it, I think. Yeah. Okay. So that's the end of turn 6. And we have 4 turns to go. We have got to put a potential contact B back on here, like that. So we still have these 3 cards to clear and those 2. So 5 cards to clear, and we've still got to get rid of this bloody bloke from here as well, and this guy from here. But he's only got a couple of more shots to go anyway. Hopefully, maybe, sort of, kind of. Okay, so again, thank you for watching. And we have finished, so I'm just going to put that on there because we need to move that next time. And that's the end of turn 6. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye for now.